Hello friends, today we are going to see Graphite India and HEG. Friends, this business involves in graphite electrode manufacturing. Friends, you all know who are trading from last 4 years. They know how it outperformed and how it takes investors' money into bottoms. Why? Because it majorly depends on anti-import duty on graphite rods. Friends, China major production of graphite electrodes and it gives lower price than India due to 2018 lift on anti-import duty on graphite electrodes. So many steel manufacturers imported graphite electrodes from China. Due to that, Indian makers lost their business. And friends, you see, 1 lakh rupees turned into 16,000 in 1.5 years. This is the market of how it performed, means downfall, and high fall also like this only. Friends, now it is at its bottom, and Graphite India, which is the major producer of electrodes in India and have most businesses out of India also, due to restrictions on imports of from other countries during these 2-3 months, the electrode business increased on steel industry. Why? Because this electrode is used in electric arc furnace to melt scrap steel, and there are 3 types: electric arc furnace and basic oxygen furnace and induction furnace. By using these 3 furnaces, the scrap material of steel converted into molded form of steel. In these 3, in electric arc furnace we use electrodes, and in these 3 processes, after we have one process, ladle refining furnace. In this furnace compulsory they have to use graphite electrode. In electric arc furnace they used large size of graphite rods, but in ladle refining furnace they have to use medium size electrodes is enough. Due to its high cost and power consumption, electric arc furnace usage decreased in many steel productions industries, and they using oxygen furnace or induction furnace. But in this also, after this process, ladle refining furnace, in this compulsory they have to use electric graphite rods. So due to this, we are expecting the development in infrastructure also, and during lockdown so many bridges and road constructions are going on, and we expect the Q2 results of Graphite India will be on positive side. How? Means I can explain a little bit. Friends, in Q4 2019 the result is 427 crores, and which is it loss compared to previous fiscal. But next Q1 result it increases to 602 crores. Friends, the business and the net profit is 602 crores, and in June 2020 the net profit is 409 crores, and we expect the next quarter, that means Q2 September 2020, which will be very positive, we are thinking. And with this we are expecting, if you have to increase in exponential way, we can predict the next quarter also in good swing. Like that the price movement will move, and it is at its bottom, like 175 is the stop loss value for graphite, and we can expect from here it will move positive side only. So friends, adding Graphite India in our portfolio is good. Why? Because if infrastructure increases, there is a need of steel production increases. Already top Indian steel producers like Tata and some companies using graphite electrodes and HEG electrodes. So friends, please check this, share, take your own decision and go with it. Thank you friends, thank you very much for supporting me. Please share my channel, subscribe my channel for more updates on